My name is Melissa Trimmer. I'm the corporate executive chef here at Dawn Foods. Today we're making donuts for Dad. This is a super fun concept to use in your bakery for Father's Day and beyond. Now you'll see that I'm using these donuts upside down, and that's intentional. The top of these shapes, while beautiful, won't give us a nice, clean, even surface, so we're going to dip upside down. Today I'm dipping in white flat icing. I've colored it with Chef Master gel colors. Each of those colors play together nicely in the sandbox. And the way that I get that color palette to work is by using a similar undertone. In this case, I've added a little bit of brown to all my colors. Let's get started. Chef Master gel colors are my choice because they're super concentrated, so they don't make my icing too runny. It's important to note that in your bakery, you don't have to limit yourself to Dad. You could do any shape you like, from happy birthday to congratulations. In this way, it encourages consumers to buy more than one donut. Let's get the whole set. For more donut inspiration, visit us at dawnfoods.com.